Welcome back to Akamai Online. In today's video, we'll go over finding saved passwords on the iPhone. First things first, we're going to have to access our settings. It's an icon that looks like a little gear, shown here. Once you're in settings, the menu should look like this. As we scroll through, you may notice that there are usually much more options than the one you're seeing here. But for now, we're just going to scroll down till we find passwords. When you click on this setting, you will be prompted to enter the iPhone's password. This is the password you use to access the device. Once you've entered your iPhone's password, you'll be able to fully see any passwords you've saved. Here you can see I have an example email account saved here. If I click on my saved email, you'll be able to see how saved passwords would look and the additional options you have to protect them. It's not seen here, but your password will appear in this box. If you click on it, the option to copy your password appears. You may choose to click on the copy feature so you can easily paste it in the login page you're trying to access. Below your password, you have a list of options. Add a note, which may be helpful if you have a lot of different accounts and need some way to differentiate them. Set up verification code, which will enable two-factor authentication in order to log into the account. And lastly, change password from website. This will take you to the website that your account is associated with and allow you to change your password. Changing your password will be different for different accounts. At the bottom, you'll notice the Delete Password button in red. If you click on this, a submenu will pop up asking if you're sure you'd like to remove this account. You can choose Delete and it will remove your saved password, or Cancel to keep it. Going back to the original passwords menu, at the top right, you'll see a little plus icon. Clicking on this will allow you to add new passwords to your list. If at any point you click out of your settings or close your iPhone, you will automatically be prompted to re-enter your iPhone's password before being able to view your password list. We hope you found this video helpful and hope to see you again in future videos.